How to pay for parking using the Pay by License Plate parking meter. The parking meter will automatically activate once you come into close proximity. Next, enter your vehicle license plate number using the keyboard. Press the green button to confirm your license plate entry. Purchase time by inserting coins or select the type of card payment. To pay with coins, insert your coins into the coin slot. Insert coins until your desired time is displayed on the screen. To pay with a credit card, insert your credit card into the credit card slot. Alternatively, you can tap your credit card, debit card, Apple Pay or Google Pay on the contactless reader. Then select your desired time. Press the button to confirm your transaction. Your receipt will print and be dispensed from the paper dispenser. Please take your receipt. There is no need to display your receipt on your vehicle dashboard. A cloud-based parking enforcement system recognizes your vehicle license plate. Proceed to your destination.